Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. So today we are going to learn about the if condition in Python. Okay. So to demonstrate the if condition, I will be using one program, as a simple program, the greatest of two numbers. Okay. So I will be writing one program. Okay. Uh, of two numbers. Okay. So I will be initializing the numbers. Okay. One is equal to some 10, or we will be doing one thing. After that, we will be taking the values at the runtime. Okay, first we will be writing a program. Okay, b is equal to, we are taking two values. Okay, then the if condition, then the statements. Okay, so if, what is the condition? If a is greater than b, this is the condition, colon. Okay, and if the condition, if this condition is true, then the statements after this column will be executed. Okay, so if a is greater than b, then print in a is an inbuilt method to print the string, which print the string value in the console. Okay, so I wanted to print, you have to use the double quotes, or single quotes can also be used. Okay, uh, a is greater. Okay, here this will not satisfy now, so I will be writing, I will be giving 30, and I will be running this program. Okay, a is greater. Okay, this is a simple if. Okay, where if is there and condition is there. If the condition is true, then this statement after the colon will be executed. Okay, well, then what about this? There is another thing, if else. Okay, if this condition fails, or if the condition is false, then the statements in the else part will be executed. So that is if condition else colon print b is greater. Here I am using double quotes. Okay, I will run it. I will change it to 10 and I will run it. Okay, b is greater. Okay, well, mm, there is another nested if. Okay, means you have to use, means if inside there will be another if. Okay, so we'll check it. Okay, if condition, then statements, then if else. Okay, then condition, then statements, then how many if else you want, you can put it. Okay, it will be called the nested if. Okay, so I will be taking three values. C is equal to some 30. Okay, uh, and I wanted to find the greatest of three numbers. Okay, then if, sorry, if a is equal to b, logic will be, and uh, b, sorry, a greater than c. Okay, whatever logic you may apply, you can apply. Okay, then a is greater. Okay, if a is greater than b and a is also greater than c, this is the AND operator. Okay, if both the conditions are true, then the statements inside this loop will be executed. Okay, okay, if the statement is false, then it will goes to the else part. Okay, so here again, I wanted to, after going to the else part, again in the else part also I wanted to check the condition. So in the other language there will be if else. Okay, so here it is elif, elif. Okay, means it is same as the else if. Okay, short form. Okay, else if, here also condition will be checked, no. So in most of the other languages you will be using the brackets. Okay, so here I have not used the brackets. Here you can use the brackets also. Okay, I will I will use the brackets for here. Okay, if a, okay, and if b is greater than c, then b is greater. See, there is no error. Okay, if you use the brackets, or if without brackets also you can use. That's what Python is a very simple language. Okay, very easy language. Okay, then here after that else print c is greater. Okay, you may be thinking, okay, if it is a is equal to b, we have not checked for these conditions. Okay, see, this is an example to demonstrate the if and if statement, and if else, and nested if. Okay, so you use your own logic. Okay, if you do different programs, okay, on this. Okay, suppose okay, I have given 30 and I will run it. C is greater. Okay, so here what in nested if, what happens is the first condition is being checked. Okay, if this condition is not true, then it will go to the if else part, else if part. Okay, there again it will be checked the condition. If the condition is true, then the statement inside this loop will be executed. Sorry, inside this column will be executed. Okay, block will be executed, or else the statements in the else block will be executed. Okay, so this is how the if statement works. Okay, I told you that, okay, here you are taking the values, okay, uh, the program only, but if you want to take the values in the runtime, so instead of giving like this, okay, I will be using the method input. Okay, this is the function, this is also an inbuilt function. Okay, input, uh, and what I wanted to print over there, enter the value of a. Okay, and here also input, enter the value of b. Input, value of c. So here I am taking the values in the runtime. I will check it. Run it. Okay, enter the value of a. 1 second. Enter the value of a. Suppose I am giving some 30 is 23. Enter the value of b, 6, some 55. Oh, we got the error. What is the error? Why is it coming? Why this error is being displayed? Because whenever I am giving the, see here the error. See what is the error is saying? Whatever the value, see here, string means whatever the values I am taking as an input from the console. Okay, so those values are taken as a string. Okay, then how can I can check whether the string values is greater than to the other string or not. Okay, so what I have to do is, after taking these values, I have to convert these values into integers. Okay, in Java or in other languages who are having parse int like this, means okay, there are some we are using the conversion. Okay, so here also we have to convert it. So there are different classes for this. uh, so int is a class, okay, is an inbuilt class, okay. So I will be taking the whole thing, means I will be passing this as a parameter in the constructor, okay. This int is a constructor, okay. When we will be talking about the constructors, we will be talking deep into the constructor. So here you have to make that, you have to what you call make it here. The point is that I am even the value I am getting is this value 23 is a string value I am getting it. This string value I have to convert it into integer. So I am using this int class, okay. So int, okay, I am converting it to integer, string to integer, so that I can do the mathematical operations, okay. Now I will run it. Okay, I will again check it. 32, value of b some 6, 99. Okay, c is greater, now it is okay. So this is how the if condition works, okay. Hope you understood the if condition, okay. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.